Howdy friends, I'm Ken Lane, the Communications Manager over here at My Little Salesman. In this quick video, I wanted to introduce you to an exciting new aspect of our dealer management system, one specifically designed to make your life as a heavy equipment seller as easy as possible. So what's it called? Simply put, deals. Way more than another sales dashboard, the deals section of your sales desk is designed to be worked out of, more like a sales workbench where you can hammer out all aspects of any transaction, the who, what, when, where, and how of any deal in real time. How can one system do this? Deals does this by guiding you down an intuitive transactional journey that leaves no stone unturned. Let me give you a quick peek under the hood. From a single view, you can access and enter any buyer information, manage what inventory is being sold, manage the structure of the deal, keep track of deal specifics, manage any applicable financing details, enter and keep tabs on any shipping info, create, send, and manage any quotes, invoices, or payments, track the precise status of any DocuSign integrated electronic signatures, see a breakdown of your profits, revenue, and costs on a specific deal, as well as keep all notes and documents relevant to the transaction quickly accessible. Now, my favorite feature of deals, and what may become your favorite, is forms. Once you've imported all forms into this deal section, any empty fields will be mapped against your entire dealer database, allowing the system to automatically fill out any form with the data you have on file within just a few clicks. If you're used to having to manually fill out all kinds of paperwork related to your sales, this feature alone may end up saving you hours a week in data entry. And there you have it, just a quick peek at the new deals system from your friends at My Little Salesman. For a more in-depth look, I recently recorded a step-by-step tutorial that takes you through every section of the deals system. We think you'll love this deals system. To get started, head over to mylittlesalesman.com/register to create your account. I'm Ken, and I hope you had a good one.